it usually has this issue with the throttle pedal sensor. It goes to limp mode, then I just erase the code with my diagnostic tool just to go home. But this time there was a new code. It's 2138, which is like different voltage between sensor and the pedal. And right now my RPMs are flowing just a little bit, and I'm not sure how I can fix it.
Okay, I'm sorry. Did you replace anything for this code so far?
No, it happened today, but it was happening like a couple of times when the weather is super cold.
Okay, so I'm just looking for a yes or no. Is that a yes? You did replace anything, or no, you did not? Okay, and you said the code. I could have swore I thought I heard you say it's a U code. It's not a P code, as in P as in Paul. Okay, all right. I'm sorry. I gotcha. Okay, so the definition for this P2138 is accelerator pedal position sensor, not plausible. So this tells us we have an issue with the pedal position sensor circuit. One, two, maybe they just don't agree with each other. So you could do one of two things. You could simply replace the accelerator pedal position sensor and see if that does the trick, or you could run some tests on that particular circuit to see what in the world's going on. But you'd have to get a voltmeter, maybe even a scan tool, and see what kind of signals we're getting from the APP sensor. So do you have any sort of testing equipment? Can you read live data?
I cannot read live data. I can only read freeze frames. I cannot get live data from the sensor, unfortunately.
Okay. So you could either you could check the signals from this accelerator pedal position sensor, or you could just simply replace it, clear the codes, and see if that does the trick.
Okay. But can it be somehow related to unstable RPMs?
Yeah, it's possible. Absolutely. So if this sensor or one of the sensors in this APP sensor, one or two, give false readings, and you want to know if this accelerator pedal position sensor is in the accelerator pedal, right? Pretty sure it is. Let's take a look. Yep, it's built into the gas pedal. So if you order an APP sensor, it's going to basically it's a whole assembly. It looks like, and you're going to get a whole gas. Basically, it's a gas pedal. You can just bolt it in. Unplug the old one, remove it, unbolt it, remove it, and then install the new one, and clear the codes and see if that does the trick.
Okay. Do you need somehow to run like the adjustment of the new pedal, or it's automatic?
Like if you need to do a relearn or anything like that?
Yeah.
That's a good question. Normally you have to do a relearn when you replace the throttle body, but I don't think this is going to require, let's see here, APP sensor. A bulletin? Like a technical service bulletin? I do not. Let's see here. Remove the instrument panel insulator. And it says refer to the instrument panel insulator panel replacement. Remove the communication interface module. And then accelerator pedal position sensor. Tighten procedure, disconnect electrical connector. I don't see anything anything saying that it needs to be relearned on my end here.
All right. I'll be doing that, I guess.
Does that answer your question, my friend?
Yeah.
Okay. You didn't seem like you were too happy with my answer. Is there something I can clear up for you? Is there something else I can help with?
I'm not too happy with the freaking GM car,
With the what car?
GM.
Oh, GM car. Yeah, I gotcha. Yeah, I hear you. Yeah, I'll be honest with you. They're not made like they used to be made, or like they used to make them.
Yeah, I know. Okay, the thing is, in the Winnipeg, and there is no pedals available. Like, you need to order that from US. And that's why I'm not very happy. But yeah, I'm happy with your help.
Okay. Well, and keep in mind, you can always check the connector, and you can check the wiring too. Maybe you'll find something that indicates that the APP sensor isn't the problem. But if you don't find anything, then at that point, yeah, I would recommend to go ahead and replace the APP sensor.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, sure.
All right, take care.
Thank you.
You bet.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.